Rebels from the Congo River Alliance, including those from M23 group, faced little resistance when they marched into Bukavu in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Here they are in the city's Independence Square, telling people to stay calm and return to their homes for now. The rebels say they want to return to business as usual as soon as possible.
They say we are Rwandan. They lied to you. Those soldiers who are still hiding in the homes should know they are also liberated. They should get out of the houses because they are there.
The DRC army, which had reinforced its position to protect Bukavu, withdrew without putting up a fight. Residents reported looting of government offices, homes, and aid agency warehouses, including one belonging to the World Food Programme. Several people are believed to have been killed. These residents are taking a body to the mortuary. They say the man was shot inside his home.
He was in his room. There were two people. He was shot at. A soldier came to the house and started shooting.
On Friday, the rebels seized the airport in Kivumu, about 30 kilometers away from Bukavu. DRC soldiers and the Burundian troops supporting them appear to have retreated.
Now they're controlling the two largest cities in eastern Congo, and it's a question as to whether they will be able to continue administering territory and also continuing towards Kinshasa.
The president and senior government officials have been holding emergency security meetings in Germany and Kinshasa. Now the M23 and its allies control most of North and South Kivu provinces, including the main airports and a port town, cutting off the army supply routes. They also control the DRC banks of Lake Kivu on the Rwandan border and an array of mineral-rich deposits. It appears the DRC's army is outgunned and overpowered. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.